Thank you, chairs, and good morning to everyone here. So the topic for today is enhancing process improvement in linen and laundry department by applying lean management. Meenakshi Hospital is the largest multi-specialty tertiary care hospital with 200 operational beds and 22 specialties located in Tanjore, Tamil Nadu. So we are the first hospital to get NABH accreditation, NABH nursing excellence, blood bank services, emergency department certification, NABL and 5S certifications in Delta region. So lean in healthcare system is patient-centered, creating maximum value to them, aimed at sustaining high levels of quality, safety, and satisfaction, and also involving and empowering each and every staff, reducing their burden, and the outcome becomes the cost and waste reduction. So our aim was to increase the maximum value to patient care service and reduce the waste in linen and laundry department. So objectives were to ensure safe and quality of the linen provided to all areas, and to focus on cost reduction and less water consumption, to maximize the resource reutilization from the condemned linens by the in-house stitching, and to monitor adequate and timely supply of linens. So the study period was for 6 months from September 2020 to February 2021. And the problems were analyzed by brainstorming method, and the root cause analysis were done by YY analysis and fishbone. And we followed the DMAC method and implemented lean tools like 5S, value stream mapping, visual management, customer pull, identifying customer needs, and GEMBA observations. So post-implementing analysis were done and to find out if there was actual reduction of waste of time, material, human effort and cost, and the sustenance was followed by Pokayoke or the mistake proofing. So this is our YY analysis. So our problem was the untimely supply of linens. That was because there was mixing in the flow of the linens between the laundry, CSSD, and the OT. So we did the value stream mapping, so the process was redefined. The next problem was more usage of water. That was because of more increased number of loads every day, so which consume more water. So for which we again formulated some SOP. And the damaged linens were sent to wards at times because there was no adequate check before dispatch. And also to prevent cross-infection, the process improvement was done using a fishbone diagram to find out if the problem was because of man-machine method and process. So these are the implementations of the lean tools. The first one is the 5S. So you can see here, we started giving the color coding to all the bed sheets, so which represents every single wards, and the place for everything and everything in place. So even the cupboards have been named with a list of things been put there. And even the condemned linens, we started reutilizing. We stitched dusting clothes and the pillow covers from them. So coming to the reordering, so this is going to give the visual management. So coming to the reordering supplies, so we have the 10 cans, so you number it, which one has to be used first. And the 7th one will be the point where you do a reordering. So you mark it with some yellow pointer, so the person don't have to do a checklist every time. Rather, they just see and they know that's the reordering level. So now coming to GEMBA observation, so it is the workplace observation what we did. So initially we could see in the ward that the nurses were using even the bed sheets and the pillow covers to use for the patients to put for the neck and to raise their arms. So we stitched the cervical rolls to keep in their head, and from the condom linens we were able to stitch some kind of arm sling, so that would help them. So now coming to customer need identification for restraints, we started teaching our own wristbands. And for radiology, we use the procedure gown because initially some patients were having some difficulty tying the conventional rope gowns. So we gave them this gown so they can just slide it in. And the chest pillows we stitched for the post-CABG patients, so when they want to do that splintered coughing, they can use this. So next is a value stream mapping. So this is a process map when there's the linen flows to the OT, laundry, and CSSD. So we had problem. Initially, we did ironing, and then after segregation of condemned linens were done, so that consumed a little more time and steam was wasted. And also we had, after being washed, it again goes to the OT and then being sent to CSSD for sterilization. So what we did is we revamped this process map. We identified the waste, the time, and the steam, etc. So what we did is, after segregating the condemned linen, and then we did ironing, and also after washing, it goes directly to the CSSD and then to the OT, and thereby we consume more time. So this is the process charts which we have in the laundry department to ensure that's continuous flow. And the mistake proofing, one example I have to give, what we're doing is to avoid the mixing of linens between the critical and non-critical areas. As I said earlier, every ward has been given particular color codes. So when the patients have been shifted from ICU to the special wards, even if they are mixed up, so when it ultimately comes to washing, so you can easily identify the sheet belongs to which ward. So this is our outcome. And these are the some materials which we are doing in-house stitching, so whereby which we could save about rupees 9,780. So we were able to achieve the process improvement. We could deliver linen to all OTN areas. We reutilized the condemned linens, and regular training were given. And for every 50 kg machine, only 80 bed sheets could be loaded as per the manufacturer recommendation. But when calculating the weight of the linen, it was like very less, only 577 grams. So we were able to put 8 more loads, 8 more pieces in every single load. So thereby we reduced 3 loads per day. So coming to the water saved, it is like 3,600 liters per day. So it saved a cost of 540. So the total cost saved in this project is rupees 97,200 for the water, and 9,780 in in-house stitching, and rupees 29,250 for the steam, and overall cost of rupees 1,37,036,230. So I thank our chairman, Dr. S. Gurushankar sir, and the organizers of Cahocon for giving such an opportunity, and also our general manager operations, Dr. Balamurugan sir, for the opportunity. Thank you.
Thank you for your presentation on lean management and use of the tools for cost effectiveness.